I like your CE.
What? How could you like it? It's made of pig crap.
I don't know, it is just attractive, kind of like you.
Well, you're not attractive at all. That ice is too cold and your cup is way too big.
Hey, well, at least I'm not made of horse meat. Oh yes, that's right, I said it.
It's not my fault I'm made of horse meat. I never chose to be created. At least I don't break people's bones when I'm drank from too much.
Oh, maybe people drink me too much because I'm awesome.
Maybe there is so many fat people because they are all busy eating me. Yeah. Yummy, fat, and juicy.
Oh well, do you see that you're being eaten alive, huh? Huh? Huh?
No, 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 no. Please no.